Hi, my name is Kelly Quinn. I teach 4th grade for William Penn School District. This website is called Prodigy. Prodigy is a math website. It's a great website for educators because they never have to pay for Prodigy. It's free for teachers, free for students, school leaders, parents, guardians. Right here, the teacher is able to create her person or his person, and then her classmates or students can form a character themselves, and they can join the class. And then over here, they can collect new Prodigy Dragon toys as they go on. In order to go from one skill to the next, you need to pass each skill to move on. This is a great website because students stay engaged and they're very motivated. They interact as they learn. They're rewarded for important achievements, and they also complete milestones. As they play this game, they receive feedback to help to get some help on what they did to stay on track. So if they got a problem wrong, the website will describe and show why they got the answer wrong, and then they'll give a similar problem next. So they don't just move on to the next problem without explaining the answer. The students practice math and learn new skills as they go through a fantasy world, which I'm going to show you as we go on. It brings math curriculum and custom assignments to life. This website game has more than 1,400 skills. One cool thing is that it reads you everything except for the problem. You can have the problem read to you, but it doesn't do it automatically. The curriculum is aligned to the standards, so it goes with kindergarten first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and on. There's placement testing and assessments, and it improves, so far it has improved the math skills in my class, so math scores, and it also prepares them for any tests like PSAs, assessments in your classroom. It gets them all ready, and it also helps them learn things that they didn't know before and makes it more interesting. So I'm going to show you the game.
Are you playing from home or from school?
So if they're at home, they'll play from home. If they're at school, they'll play from school. It's interesting because they're able to do it both places, which they love. So right now I'm going to click on school, and then I can choose any world. So I will do birdcage.
Hello? Hey, listen! You're going to be late for your first day of classes at the academy!
So it gets you really excited for school.
The name's Newt. I help bring new students to the academy on their first day of class. Who might you be?
So then I'm able to change her name, and so when we choose a name, I'm going to go with Adriana.
Nice to meet you. Let's head over. Hey, look, a monster! Monsters can be found everywhere, but they're pretty tame.
So what's interesting about this game, it's very similar to Pokemon, so they battle.
This one seems a bit grumpy. Looks like it wants to battle.
So now they're going to battle.
This is a wizard battle. The goal is to reduce your opponent's hearts to 0 by casting spells. To cast a spell, just choose one.
So now I'm going to choose Starbit last. And then it comes up with how many verses does the shape have. So let's just say we say 4. And then it tells you that the answer is correct. So then they battle.
When you cast a spell, your opponent loses hearts. When they have no hearts left, you win.
So then you keep going and you play another one.
Equip a wand with a spell attached to it to be able to use its spell in battle.
So then I choose that again. And you just keep going. So what is the name of the shape? It's a circle. And there you go. And this is Prodigy. And then if you want to learn more about Prodigy, it has also a quick start guide. I hope that you check out this website. It's amazing. It's so good. Right? Bye.